Welcome. A very good evening. And today I will be starting Facebook Live. I little started very late due to I'm traveling. Yeah. So today I was talking about some of the creative or weird kind of concepts you can use using spreadsheets. So I had asked you if you're thinking about something, you can always mention in the comment box as well. So this is Mahesh Kadravan, spreadsheet trainer, founder of Spreadsheet Enthusiastic Facebook group. Thank you so much for joining in, and thank you so much for who will be watching the recording. Welcome to today's session of Spreadsheet Adventures. Today I will be deep diving. Not this is a Monday, so slight bit of creative and fun side since it is a week starting. So let's have a super creative and fun side of Excel, right? So back in the days of 2002, 2003, while I was doing my Facebook, sorry, the spreadsheets, I was thinking about what to do next. Okay, so I learned the formulas and everything. I was doing all the corporate jobs and everything. But somewhere some creativity kida came into my body, right? And I thought that let's create some games. And I was very enthusiastic. I was uh, district level champion in chess in school. That was the foundation stone for a chess. And I thought that why not create a chess board with chess pieces in spreadsheet. That was a very creative and funny side. I never thought that we can make it and everything. It's just that I thought that let's do it. So I created. So today I will be showing you my side of creativity, how special you can use, not just to why I'm doing this and why I'm sharing with you now is because that you can imagine or you can see the impact of spreadsheets can go beyond numbers and data. And today I will be showing you how to turn a blank Excel sheet into fully functional chessboard. So if you, I will walk through all the process of building the chess grid, the 64 squares, and how to place the chess pieces and everything right in your sheets as well. So by end of this session, you can ready to challenge your friends or a game of Excel on game of chess on Excel. So let's get started and have some fun. Okay, great. So I will be sharing my screen and I'll be sharing my Excel sheet with you. Okay, great. So this is what I was talking about. Uh, so this is what I was talking about. The chess pieces I have arranged and I made a 64 squares. And this was creative. I was thinking about why not do something else with spreadsheet, and I thought of it come this idea. So I created this simple sheet, but I will be doing something else with you. Same sheet, but I will be doing something different because this I did with long time back. I done something different. I don't remember the exact process, but I know because it has been done 2002, 2003, so like 20 years back. But today I will show you how to make it Excel this thing, right? So first, the steps are already mentioned here, so you can always check these steps what I have done. Okay, so first you have to check the whole sheet. Okay, this is called the sheet. Now in spreadsheets means what? The whole concept of spreadsheet is coming with this particular cell, and cell is stored in this particular sheets. Okay, so this is the sheet. Okay, so you select the whole sheet. Okay, right click on the column A. Now this is the column. So from A to, if you're using the new version of Excel, it will be right till the XSFD. This is the column. That means column is vertical. And if you're going down, that's around 1,48,576 rows. This is rows. This is the vertical rows. So when you're putting the value or the numbers or the characters or something which you put, that's called as a cell value. Okay, and the cell contains that value, that is called the cell value. But whenever you give the reference, like you want to point out to this and you get the formula or you want to get the result, that's called as a cell reference. Okay, so this is a simple concept of cell reference, cell value, sheets, columns, and rows. Okay, so I just select the whole sheet, right click on the column width. So I will go with the column width because I wanted to change the column width. I will change it to 5. Okay, to make it the some square kind of thing. Okay, then I will right click on the row. I will go to the row height, and I think I have put row width 25. Okay, so I will put the row width as row height as 25. Sorry, yeah, 25. So if you see, it is similar, some kind of small square is there. Now it depends upon you if you want to make it big, or if you want to, that it's all depends upon your creativity. You can go anywhere. Okay, you can do anything. Now I'm thinking of, like, I'm a big fan of WWE, World Wrestling Entertainment, so I'm thinking of something on that grounds as well. So let me see if I get time, some time I will develop that, because it takes a lot of time to develop that kind of things, because I need to bring the characters, a lot of ring particular things. Chessboard is very simple. You have the 64 squares and pieces, that's all. But there a lot of things are there, so I'm thinking of doing that. But let's see, going forward in the future I will be trying to create it. Okay, now coming back to the topic, I have done the selected whole sheet, put the column width at 5, then selected the whole row, put it at as 25. Okay, now you'll get a small square. Now what you need to do now, you have to select the 64 rows. So you have to select from D, you have to select from D to K, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 into 8, that is 64 squares. So chessboard is made up of 64 squares. So I made it as 64 squares. Okay, I will just enlarge it to make it visible for you. If I more enlarge it. Okay, great. So this is the 64 squares. Now what I will do, a feature called as a conditional format. And what is conditional formatting means for? You're putting some conditions on that particular cells, where based on which the cells will be getting automatically formatted. So in case if you want to show something, like a student, this code, like he has code in max, english and hindi. So it's a simple example I will take. Okay, so above 70 means in max it is passed. Okay, below 70 but less than, but greater than 50 means he is in the middle range, and less than 50 means he has failed. Okay, same way it goes for english and hindi also. But how to point out which students are more than 70 and in between 50 to 70 and less than 50? That's where the conditional formatting will come. You can color the cells based on that particular conditions, and tell them that if this is the thing, you mark it as red, you mark it as yellow, you mark it as green, like signal. Okay, this concept I have explained in the last, I think 2 to 3 Facebook lives back. I also explained this kind of concept of conditional formatting. Okay, you can check out that Facebook video also, where I gone much deep, a little bit deeper on the conditional formatting. Okay, so here I will be focusing on the conditional formatting. So I already selected cells 8 by 8, that is 64 squares. I will go to the home tab. This is all called the tabs. Okay, you might be having by default home, insert, page layout, formula, data, review, view, and help. You might not be having develop and power pivot, because these are the two additionals I have inserted in Excel. You can do it because this is optional. The Excel gives. They don't want to uh, put a heavy load on the Excel. That's why they don't keep it. So it's for, if you want, you can do that. Okay, so we go for the home tab. Then we go for the style box. This is a style box. This is called the box. I would always say boxes, because you can get clear reference. So style box, you have conditional format. You go to the new rule. New rule means here you are putting a condition, like what kind of condition you want to achieve or you want to execute, then only you can get the result. So you will go to use a formula to determine which cells to format. Now here I will put one simple formula, which is called as, just that formula I will just paste it here, so you will can get it. And here I will paste it. Okay, I will again select that. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Yeah, good. Okay, so this is the formula. What is formula? This is that it will create an alternate color combination. Okay, color can be anything, whatever you want, but it will do a color combination which will help you to create a chessboard. Now if you want to go manually also, you can do it, nothing wrong in that, but I will show you an easy method of putting the formula. So if in case if you're not familiar with this formula, I will create another session because this is more deep into that. But just for now, just understand that this formula will help you to color alternate cells with the whatever color you want. Okay, so what I will do, I'll do the conditional formatting. Again, I will go to the new rule. I will just drag the window here. So formula equal to mode. I will just write this formula to equal to mode column bracket column 2, and I will now format. So if this condition is true, what you need to do? So I will just format the cell, and I will not put this color. I will put green color. We have this green color cells as well, right? This one. Yeah. So this is, I think, what is called. I need to say. No worries. Great. Yeah. So this is good. This also now latest. If you get the material of chessboard, you get this kind of chessboard as well, right? So now if you see, everything has been beautifully arranged diagonally. Now imagine if you want to put it manually, what would have been happen? That you would might be making the mistakes by not forgetting that alternate rows, right? Sometimes you might forget putting in the downside or row side or vertical side or horizontal side. Sometimes you might put color the white square also, so you might get confused. So best way, use this formula and put it in there. Okay, now what I will do, I will just create a thick border. I will again go to the home tab. Now I will go to this font block or the font box, and here I will get thick outside box borders. I will take. Now you see is thick and black color I have given. Okay, done. Now what else we need to do? Now we need to bring the pieces here. Okay, that's the only thing which is remaining. Okay, I will just remove this formula. Now I will okay. I will just bring the piece here. Start illustrations. I will go to icons. Okay. I will just yeah. Now I will go to the search in icon. I will just put chess. Okay, they're already there. Some of the only the four default things like horse and the elephant, and you have pawns. Okay, so I will select this one, this one, this one. I hope you know the pieces of chess. If you don't know, I will just explain in short. You have pawns in 8 squares. Then you have elephant on the both sides of the white and black. So there will be 4 elephants, 4 horses, and 4 bishop. Okay, and then you have queen and this thing. So now you have got all the pieces. Now what happens is that you see you have this one, you have this one, and you have this one. Okay, great. Now we have to put this thing, but the squares, if you see, very small, but your piece is very big, so you have to fit it in that particular square. How will you do that? You'll just drag it with the arrow. Just see that if it is fitting. Again, you can just put it. Great. Now it is fitting. Now you just copy, Control C, Control V, Control V, Control V, Control V. Okay, so you get everything in place. This one done. Now this one done. So this is done for the white. But if you see the pieces are not aligned, see you see this icons are not aligned in a proper order. Some are in moving hands. This should be systematic, right? How to do that? Select all the icons by pressing Shift and the left click of mouse. Okay, so that multiple pieces can be selected. Everything is selected. The moment you select, you get a option called as a graphics format. This is always available when you select an icons. So if there's some images, symbols also, you will get some format. You get click on that, go to the align, and align middle. Means what? It has already it will adjust it all in the middle. Okay, now if you see some pieces are not in correct order. See, one is in left. Again you select, go to again align center. But what it will do, it will everything it will center, right? So don't do that. Just distribute horizontally. No, let's do that. We will do distribute horizontally. Yeah, that will do. Correct. Distribute horizontally, so it will arrange to that. Now let's talk about this one. So again, this also will make it small. We'll just check spreading on this. So yes, a lot of creativity is there. It will take some time, but you can always put some energy to be a lighter side to think that how your Excel skills can improve with this. Because here I am used the formula, and this formula is very beautiful formula. It's like really, it will take your amazing skills it will have, right? So yeah, I think this is the extra piece. Great. So this is done. This done. This done. This done. This done. This done. Select. Then go to graphics, align, middle. Then you go to distribute horizontal. That's the done way. Okay. Now I have arranged the pawns. Now what we have the horse and the elephant. Now what to do with this? Let's see what we can do with this as well. Okay, so what I will do, I will click on that. I will go to again the graphics format, and there I will use this crop option. So crop option is what? I will just divide this both of them. So first you copy this because you need another piece also. So you copy this, go to again graphic format, crop, first one crop, just take the elephant, just remove the this one. Okay, copy. Now you just check whether it is fitting. Let's put it to 15. Done. Oh, done. Now this will also, I will check it. Put it in 15. Done. So this way you have done the white elephant. Now let's talk about the white horse. Just go crop. Now you just edit this. Okay, this is the easiest way I am telling to you. You can do as per your like. So nothing the systematic way or straight way. I always say in Excel there is no the right way or wrong way. Anything which gives you result, that's the best format you have. Okay. The horse I got, just paste it this way. Oh, sorry. Get we and done. Now I'll just check this one. Again, go to the graphic format, align, middle, align, distribute horizontally, but no, distributing horizontally will okay. It already is there in between side. Okay, so this is what we have done with that. Now there's a concern with let's remove this. Where is our yeah, this one is there. Now I will just again go this I will do afterwards. We'll do check with no white thing. So white bishop is there. So what you will do, insert, you go to illustration, again go to now in bishop we don't have, if you see you don't have the bishop. So what you will do, you have cross sign, you just put cross, and you get a plus sign. Okay, this is what normally we use as a bishop, this thing. Okay, so don't worry about that. This should be white in color. So sorry, yeah. Oh, it should be black in color because we are talking about take it. Yes, done. So just to make it, just to give an idea that this thing there. Okay, nothing. Done. Just copy, paste it. Got, okay, done. So you got the elephant, you got the horse, you got bishop. Now it's time for what? King and the queen. You want? I have the bishop. This thing also. Let's make it. This way. Okay. Let's see if it is fits on that. No, it's actually not the right. We have to remove the background and everything. Okay, great. Now there's a simple trick I will show you. I've shown you by inserting the illustration. I put the icons. Okay. Now what I will do a different thing. Okay, I will do a different way of using this. There's a shortcut key called, you have to press the Windows key, and there's a small semicolon key is there just beside your L key. Just press both keys simultaneously. When you press those key, you will get an emoji icon window will come. Okay, this kind of window will come. Okay, I think you will, yeah, this kind of. There you can just put king. So I put the king. Okay, and this I will paste it here. Okay. So this is the king, but if you see, the king is actually what I will do. I have taken this one. Okay, this is a very small thing. I just shown you how to take it. I just paste it here. Yeah, that's good. Okay, this is the one thing. Then I will take the another one, queen. Paste it here. Okay, I will take it this here. Put it here. Yeah, that will be the best. Yes. Bingo. Done. Now I will take the queen as well. Get the queen. Paste it here. Drag it. Oh, sorry. There you go. Okay. Just I will, border has gone. So I will just check the border. Yeah. So this is how the white is done. Now we'll go be with the this thing. So if you put Windows and semicolon, you get the emojis coin. So whichever emojis you want, you can put it. So like you want king or queen, or you can put chess. Let's see what happens. Bishop is there. I think we can get it, or if you can get it from the internet also, well and good. But just remove the background image because that background color will be there. So it will look like a different image altogether. So you need to place it in such a way that it is inside the box, the board. Okay, it should not be different. So like for example, if I put this bishop, if you see, it fits well in the white column, right? But if I put it's in the this column, if you see, so it is looking like not good, right? So just see that particular thing, rest everything is fine. Okay, now we come to the black square. So I will do first with this one. Click on this graphic format. I will go to the crop. First I will take the elephant, just this thing. Yeah, just copy paste. Just select it, just see that if it is aligned in middle. Done. And let's see. Okay, done. Okay, now we're done with the elephant. Now let's check with the horse. Come back here. I will just enlarge. Yeah, done. I will go to the graphics, crop. So see, if you really like to do more creativities, I'm sorry, you would like spend much of time in this. I am really excited to do this all the kind of things. So it really excites me. That's why I'm crazy. I do crazy things like this. Okay, this is I just showing you this. So, yeah, I'll just copy, make it short. You can do anything what you want in Excel. It's just that your creativity bud should go on, right? Go to the group. Yes, done. So we have this thing also. Let's go to the cross sign. It's a black sign. We need to take the white sign. So again, I will go to icon, cross. Mm, let's see, this one is correct. Yeah, great. Good. Just align it. There you go. Just copy paste. Just paste it here as well. Okay, great. Now I'll just select the both of bishops. So go to graphic format, align, middle, and there you go. So your horses and this thing's also done. Now let's come to the queen. So I will take it from here because I've already done it. So I don't want to waste your time. Just copy, paste it. Queen. Just align. There you go. Okay, so all is done. I will just remove this all these things. That's not needed. Just try to minimize a little bit downsize this thing. You can able to see. Yes. Now I will just put the good lines. Yes. I will just make it more beautification is then. That's all. Thing more and less. Done. Okay. Now it looks good. Let's take a printout and see. Great. So this is how your. I will just. I think. Sorry. Let's select. Yes. Done. Great. So this is how you can make a chessboard, and you can make anything. Creativity is nothing like that. You can use this only. You can do anything, whatever you like. It's just that how you do, what you do, and what you like. That's more important in all these aspects. Okay. So sounds good. So I think you have got some idea how to do be creativity in this particular spreadsheet. So let me know what kind of creativity ideas you have and how you are thinking to implement it. And let me know if I can help you. You can join this Facebook group. This is a spreadsheet enthusiastic group. The link will be mentioned here. You can always message me as well. I will send you that link as well. So see you tomorrow for day number 11 of Facebook Live. And tomorrow might be something else I will be coming back. Thank you so much. God bless you. See you.